Hey guys, it's Gary with Karatbars International, and today we're going to look at how to upload KYC documents. So let's take a look. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is go to karatbars.com and we're going to enter in our username, password, and the captcha code. So I'm going to do a pause share real quick, and I'm going to enter my information, and we'll be right back. Okay, now we're at our dashboard. And from your dashboard, you want to go to Profile, and you want to go to KYC. And KYC stands for Know Your Customer. And the two pertinent documents you need to upload is a proof of ID and a proof of residence. Now, for your ID, you can upload a driver's license, a government issue ID with your correlated name, a passport, and it must have a clear picture of you in color with an expiration date. You want to take a picture of yourself actually holding up your ID next to your face. So you should have your ID next to your face, taking a selfie of yourself, or have somebody take a picture of you holding your ID with your face and your ID next to it. And there's a reason for that. So you want to take a picture of that, and you want to upload it down below. We'll get to that in a second. The purpose of that ID is to just identify you as a real person with your information next to your face. The address that's on your ID do not have to match the address that's on your utility bill. I know in some cases people may have moved around prior to starting with Karatbars, and their new address may not be matching their current existing ID because it hasn't changed over yet. So your ID is not a matter of proving your residency, it's a matter of proving you as a real person. Now, your proof of residency will come from a utility bill, such as electric, gas, phone, water bill, not older than 6 months. And it must clearly state the company name, utility company name with their address and a date on it. No photos of envelopes. Like some people will have their bill inside the envelope because they thinking that Karatbars is trying to see how large they bill or how small their bill is. Karatbars doesn't care about how much your bill is for that you use. So take your bill outside of the envelope, out of the mail, and take a picture of it with all 4 corners shown. No screenshots. So you can't have a picture inside your phone and take a screenshot and upload it to Karatbars. They wanted you to take a picture with the paper maybe on a table, on a wall, with all 4 corners shown. And now those are the 2 methods and forms that you need to provide to prove you as a person and your place of residency. Now, if you are uploading documents related to your registering as a business, then you want to read further where it talks about business accounts, in which you want to include documentation about your articles of corporation, your EIN numbers, and so on and so forth. So you can read this information if you are, registering as a business. Now, when you upload your documents, you want to come down here and you want to select which document that you are uploading. You do not want to take a picture of yourself and your bill and your ID all in one document, one file. You got to have a separate proof of ID image, in which you will come here and you will upload that document, save it to your computer, and you would then access it by coming here and you say, okay, I want to upload my proof of ID. So select which file you will be uploading so they can identify that one. So your proof ID, you select that one, and then you'll click browse, and it will go into your file folder, and you will select the actual file item that is your ID, and then you will hit upload, and then you come back here and you'll select, okay, now the next document I'm going to upload is my proof of address. So you'll select proof of address, and you'll click browse, and then you'll go and obtain your proof of address image, and you'll hit upload in order to upload that document. Now it could take anywhere between, and you make sure you hit submit. It could take anywhere between 24 to 72 hours for everything to be verified. But if you are unsure whether Karatbars received your document or not, you know, there's this button down here that says support. You can email Karatbars at support@karatbars.com and let them know that you submitted your KYC documents and ask them if it is everything okay. Now, while you're waiting for Karatbars, you can always come back to this screen, you know, again, profile, KYC, and you'll come to this screen and you can scroll down to the bottom and it will let you know the status of your KYC documents. It will either say something like approved, if they're approved, which is great, you know if they're approved, or it will say docs missing, you know, so you might have something missing. So one item might be good and the other item might not be good, or it might just say decline, meaning that everything that you uploaded was not sufficient. So make sure you check back on this page or check your emails and see if everything is okay. Reach out to Karatbars at support@karatbars.com. Now let me share this with you guys. See, Karatbars thinks ahead. They know that we're dealing with gold, we're dealing with money, we're dealing with assets, we're dealing with, you know, pertinent, precious, valuable information. And they want to make sure that when they're dealing with your products, they're dealing with you. So therefore, the reason why they want you to take a picture of yourself holding your ID next to your face is because if somebody get a copy of your ID, say you upload that file and they say, you know, Karatbars notice on sufficient activity, or a person is making a request to change something, and Karatbars wants to know if this is you, you know, making this request. So they'll ask that person to please send in a photo ID of yourself holding your ID. So the person may get access to your ID, your file that had the ID of you holding it, but Karatbars is smart. They want them to submit a file of you holding your ID, but with today's date on a sticky on top of the ID. You know, so therefore, they may have a copy of your ID with your face next to it holding your ID because you already sent that to Karatbars, but they can't provide another file with your same exact ID with a sticky next to it and your face next to it. The only face that they could probably provide is their face, and it won't match your ID. So Karatbars thought ahead for your own protection, you know, so that they can be assured that they're dealing with you when they're handling your products and your information. So, you know, those are the items that you need to upload: your proof of residence and your proof of ID, and your address on your ID do not have to match the address on your residency. They are two different proofs and two different documents. And that's what Karatbars need. And that's what you need to do in order to move forward with Karatbars and purchasing their products. So that's how you upload your KYC documents. Well, hopefully that was helpful and user-friendly. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below or email me at gary@garagefulofgold.com. If you would like to receive tutorials or anything else, please let me know that as well. Don't forget to smash that like button, click subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can stay up to date for any future videos. Well, it's been great sharing with you guys, and until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Bye-bye.